Good morning. Well, it's morning, but I don't know if it's good. I'm struggling a little bit this morning, so I thought I would have a protein shake instead of just plain ketones. So this is the chocolate. It's super good. And it just hits the spot when I'm struggling. I think like yesterday I didn't eat enough, and then this morning I was hungry. See that white sign there, buddy? Anyways, we will apparently be going slow today. Yay! So, it is still raining. It is still crappy. I was going to run yesterday, and it just kept raining and raining and raining, and like not just light stuff that I could run through, but like when I wanted to rain, it was pouring. So needless to say, I didn't run. So I got these pimples. I got a couple. I think it's because my Depo-Provera is running out, and I am breaking out because of it. So I get my shot on Monday or Monday probably. I'll go and get my shot. So that should clear up within the next 2 weeks, I hope. When it's 70, we do 50. When it's 50, we do 30. Oh my goodness. Sorry, I am being really impatient this morning. I have to go and get some vegetables for the restaurant this morning, and so I have to drive across the city. And yeah, I didn't sleep very well last night. Well, I mean, I slept okay, but like I got up a couple of times to go to the bathroom, and then every time I went to the bathroom, I had to wait to fall back asleep because my body just was a little too awake. So I read some of my book each time, which, whatever, I'm reading a new book. I think it's called Court of Thorn and Roses or something like that. I can't remember the title exactly. And I just started it, so like I'm only on like chapter 2 or something. But normally, oh my god, what is going on? Sorry. Oy. So, anyways, I normally read like maybe 1 or 2 pages and then I fall asleep. But last night I probably read about 30 pages, I think. Probably not that much, but you know. Like, I know I got well into chapter 2, so, which is not normal for me when I first start a book. Usually I'll get like 2 or 3 pages into chapter 1, and then tomorrow I'll get 2 or 3 pages more in. But last night was just weird. So anyhow, today I plan on making sure that my macros are on point, because the last few days have not been. Either I haven't eaten enough. Well, actually, for the most part, I haven't eaten enough. So I just need to figure out, like, I don't know if my body is going through a cycle where it just doesn't need enough, because I'm not hungry. So, like, I guess that's a good thing, but then I need to find some more nutrient dense things that will help me get to my macros but not fill me up so much. So anyways, I am continuing on. I will have my shake, and then I will get these groceries. I think I need Sprouts. What else did he say? Oh, gluten-free soy sauce and mayonnaise, I think. Yes, it's weird for a Asian restaurant to have mayonnaise, but we use it in our firecracker mayo, and we are using more of the firecracker mayo right now because we have one of the poutines has it on it, so when we make them we use a lot more firecracker mayo than we normally do, because normally they just go on our fireballs, and fireballs are like little rice and sriracha, or rice and kimchi balls. Actually, I think they're rice and kimchi balls, and apparently they're good. I don't know, I can't eat them, so not because of the rice, but because they're not gluten-free. There's a lot of things in our restaurant that I can't try, so I just have to rely on my staff to oh, that's gotta suck. I have to rely on my staff to tell me what they taste like, because I can't try them, and I'm just going under a tunnel at the moment, so sorry for the bad lighting. But yeah, so hopefully today will go good. I am working lunch at the restaurant, then I need to go and pay for my 6-month swim pass at the university, because I've just been paying like as I go, but I'm gonna get a 6-month pass. That way it saves me like $50 or something, I think, over the 6 months, and that will take us right into April, which is great because that's when we're leaving for our trip. So if everything goes as planned, so I'm super excited. Last week I swam once. This week I've already swam once, and I will be going again tonight because I am tired of not doing anything because of the stupid weather. And ooh, it's Starbucks happy hour at 3. I will not be going out for that, because by then I should be back at home. So anyways, I just got a message on my phone. But yeah, so I'm going to see, hopefully today will be better. Hopefully this shake will help me get through at least the morning and then into the afternoon, and I will make a regular lunch and then figure out what we're having for dinner. I think we're going to have pepper pizzas. So the way I make pepper pizzas is I cut peppers so that they're flat, and we put a little bit of ground meat and a little bit of sauce, like tomato sauce, on them, and then we top them with like mushrooms and pepperonis. Oh, Chris is here. Mushrooms and pepperonis, and then we and then a little bit of cheese, and then I bake them. So they are super good, and I really love them. But anyways, I am at Canadian Wholesale Club, so I'm gonna go in and get all the things and continue on with my day, and I will see you guys when I eat. Hey guys, so it is just a little after 5:30. I am going to have a lunch a little bit early because I want to eat dinner a little bit earlier, so that I can go for a swim at 8:30. So lunch is salmon. I just added a tablespoon of mayo and a tablespoon of sour cream and some dill, and then a can of salmon, 4 pickles, some lettuce that I can put that on, and then 4 pieces of mozzarella cheese. So that's it. That's lunch. Yeah, and I'll see you guys when I eat dinner. Hey guys, so I have sort of an assembly line going here. I'm making these needle holders. Adding snaps. I finished sewing them all and now I just have to add 3 snaps on them. And there's all the snaps, but I thought I would pop on because I decided to have a keto up because I seem to be fading. I kind of feel like going for a nap, so instead of going for a nap and not getting things done, I've decided to grab a keto up, crack it open, and work away. So I thought I would pop on and just share that with you. And now I'm going to get back to work. See you later. Yum, yum. Okay, so I made Amanda's recipe for the pork roast, the Mississippi pork roast something, I'm not sure, Amanda from Keto Ginger. If you haven't watched her videos, please go over to her channel and check them out. She's amazing. I added 2 tablespoons of sour cream and avocado because this is super, super spicy and I'm not a super, super spicy kind of girl. But it tastes amazing. So I'm going to suck it up and my mouth is going to burn, but it's going to be worth it. So yeah, and then I put it on a bed of salad. So that is dinner. And so I'm going to eat this and then in about an hour I'm going to go swimming. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Have a great night. I may have yogurt when I get home from swimming. If I do, I will pop that in. If I don't, then I won't. But otherwise, I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Hey guys, so I just got done swimming and I decided to have what's left of my yogurt. I think there might be like 3/4 of a cup or maybe just a cup here. Which is what I normally have anyways, between 3/4 of a cup and a cup. So I'm going to finish this off. I threw in some keto protons. Even though I had some this morning, I thought I would throw in a little bit more into my yogurt just to give me a little bit more protein for the day because I was lacking just a little bit with protein. And yeah, that's it. So it has sweetener and stuff in it in the protons itself, so I don't need to add any extra sweetener. So that is it. So anyways, I'm going to enjoy this. I'm going to do a little bit of computer work and then I'm going to go to bed. So have a great night and I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks so much for watching.